Hi, how are you? Did you ask yourself before that can I have a good espresso with a home espresso machine like that I have at home, that espressos that I drink in the cafes? I'm here to say yes, not perfect that much, but you can have improve your coffee at home as much as you can. If you want to know how, so let's start to have some tips for it. At the beginning, we should know about our espresso machine's basket. There's two kind of basket, like I have here both of them. Uh, this is at the right is pressurized, uh, and this is non-pressurized. This basket. What's the difference? Some of the home espresso machines, mostly they are weaker than the commercial ones, but some of them are better than the others. And some for improve your extracting and add some extra pressure, you know, if you have a good espresso, you should have 9 bar for extracting your espresso. But some of them can't make that pressure, so we use this pressurized basket like this, and it has a valve under it. We use this for add extra pressure for your espresso and extracting better. But that espresso machines are little better. You can use this non-pressurized because they can make that 9 bar pressure. So you should know how to use them. For extracting with this basket, we need make our beans grind a little coarser than usual because this adds a little pressure. So if we grind like a commercial espresso machine, there will be a lot of pressure on our espresso machine's pump and it will be break. So we should grind it a little coarser. And with the other one, we can a little finer than this. So we should firstly choose our basket, and I suggest you to use a non-pressurized basket. I test both and this one is better. Why? Because if you want to use this pressurized basket, you should grind a little coarser so it affects straightly on our taste and balance of our coffee and make your coffee a little watery and make you black water most of the time. So I suggest you use this basket, pressurized, non-pressurized basket, and make your coffee beans a little finer grinding and use it for well. Other tip is use a home use a grinder at home. Why? Because how much your coffee is fresher is that much better. And if you have a grinder at home like what I have here, I have here the one, you can calibrate your grind size for your coffee machine and your basket. It's important to choose the right grind size for your coffee machine and basket you choose for your coffee machine, and you can use it and make a better coffee. So let's try and have a espresso with this and see how it's look like. So you can see I have grind my coffee, and this much, not too fine, but it's good for this espresso machine. Finer than this can make our pump break. So I have 80.5 or 80.6 gram coffee. So let's temp it and make a shot and see how it come.